what up guys? You might be wondering what I'm doing. Well, I'm actually on the side of the road. I just got the Mavic Mini, so I'm gonna try to get some footage. This is one of my first time using the drone. Take the little cap off like this. There we go. Now the camera's exposed. So yeah, let's go fly this thing. We just got done filming our first flight with our DJI. I loved it. It was so fun. I was just like flying a little copter around and I was able to get a lot of cool shots. I'm gonna continue on the road, but this was a really fun flight test. And I got to get the feel of it and I really enjoyed it. So I'm gonna put it away, maybe charge it up a little bit, and then we're gonna hit the road. What up guys? We just got to the destination for the night. It's about 7:30 right now. I'm gonna kind of scope out the area. There's a little trail over there I might go check out. If I do anything, I'll definitely show you guys, but mostly it's just gonna be kind of like getting situated, going to bed as fast as possible, and then waking up for tomorrow, because tomorrow is Yosemite and that is gonna be sweet. I'm gonna try to use some of my drone and we're gonna see if we can get some more drone footage of the area. There's a bunch of trees around me, so it might get a little difficult to fly the drone. So I'm gonna try to find an area that is a little more open.
I've never known a love so steady. Even gold won't turn your tide. We flow together like an ocean, every low and every high. And I would have you anyway, dear, any way your heart could bear. Even if you had to leave me, I'd always be waiting here. Even when we are apart, I will keep you in my heart, and I wouldn't change a thing, even if I were the king.
It is getting pretty late here. I'm not too tired, so let's go on a little walk.
I've never known a brighter sunset, but every day I see it rise. I never thought it could be better until I saw it in your eyes. Even when we are apart, I will keep you in my heart. I will hold the world at bay just to see you smile again. And when time begins to fade, I will love you just the same.